So if you are looking for explosive instruments, this is the secret pro tip. Again, we see another stock exploding today. Today being a Monday, up about 32% for the day. And we can see the fundamental reason is a buyout. So I just finished recording a similar video discussing this idea. So whenever we see a stock with this type of a move, we can learn from it. As per the other video, which is part 1, in this part 2, take a look at this daily angle of penetration as the stock moves above 69.1. So if you're looking for explosive instruments, this is the secret pro tip. And this will appear in multiple time frames. Here we can see the weekly now staging this nice move. Take a look at that angle of penetration right there as it moves above 69.1. And once you become sensitized to this method, it's gonna give you clues as to what instruments you should focus your energy on. And here we can see on the monthly, after this gap up, we can see the RSI above that magic number. And what we see from here, it reinforces what I always teach. For an instrument to get explosive power, it needs to stage a move above RSI 69.1. Links are gonna be in the description. And so it is.